measly. Sunshine, daisies, buttermellow. Turn this stupid fat rat yellow. She needs to sort out her priorities.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
I'm Hermione Granger. And you are? It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. It's not very good, is it?
Sort of exciting, isn't it? Breaking the rules.
You're Harry Potter.
There must be a mistake. This is platform 9 3/4. There's no such thing.
Expecto Patronum!
I fell over. I didn't do it on purpose.
Why is it when something happens, it is always you three?